Like if you want me to keep digging around TJ Maxx, Marshalls, yada 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 to see what my little eyes can find. Greetings everyone. I am back at it again with another TJ Maxx haul. I am so obsessed with doing this. This one is a little bit smaller than my last one. It's all makeup. Ooh, I got mascara on my hand. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am a huge fan of NYX Cosmetics, especially their lips. So first things, one of the things I got was this soft matte lip cream set. It comes with Zurich, Houston, and Cologne, and I don't have any of these, which is why I was like, yes! This whole thing was only $4.79, and I think each one of these individually is like $5. So, deal? I think so. This one is Cologne. It's a dark plummy color. This one is Houston. It's a brown, I do believe. Yes, like chocolatey brownie color. It's coming off a little bit warmer on camera than it is. I love the soft matte lip creams, but I do know the darker shades and even some of the lighter shades end up being a little bit patchy. And then this one is Zurich. I might actually have this one. Oh, that's a pretty one. It's like a light pink color. And then this one I fell in love as soon as I saw it, especially with the combination of the colors. It's a liquid suede lip set. This one comes with Tea and Cookies, Electric Slide, and Disruptive. I am wearing Electric Slide right now. I'll go ahead and swatch these also. This one felt like it was a little bit dry as I was putting it on. I'm not sure why, but it's like a bright pinky purpley color. And then Tea and Cookies. I haven't even swatched these yet, so this is all new. I only took them out of the package for a photo last night. Oh, that's not as light as I expected it to be. That looks like a very wearable, like Barbie pink. And then this one I was really excited for. This one's Disruptive. It's so unique. I love this color. Let's see how it swatches. Ooh, that is so pretty and so opaque. I can't wait to try this out. This would actually look really good with the makeup look I have on right now, but I'm gonna pass on that for today. And then from, oh, and this was $4.99. And again, I think these are like $5 to $6 a piece. From Lipstick Queen, and I don't really have any lipsticks from Lipstick Queen other than like little samples that I've gotten. This one is called Ice Queen, and I got it for $7.99. I haven't swatched this yet. I know Lipstick Queen has a lot of lipsticks that change colors, so I'm kind of interested to see if this one changed colors because it's like this bright white color. So let's see what happens. Oh. Can you even see that? It's just a shiny white color. So we'll give it some time and see if it changes. If not, I just bought a $8 bright white lipstick from Too Faced, and I've had a couple samples of this, but now I have a full size. The Chocolate Soleil Bronza. I got this for $12.99, and I know that these have recently come out to discount stores because they repackaged all of them. I'm wearing it today. Not my first time wearing it, but ugh. That artificial chocolate smell. Not bad for $12.99. I think these are like $30 full size. Well, that is full size. $30 brand new. And now this I was really excited to see because I wanted to give it a shot because when it first came out there was so much controversy behind it about it being This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm wearing it today. I actually really liked it. I did not really have any issues with the mattes like crumbling too bad. There is a little bit of kick up with them, but not any more than what I experienced with the Modern Renaissance palette. The mattes are really nice. What I had a problem with though were the, oh wow, there's only three shimmers in here. I didn't even realize that, but the one I'm wearing on my lid right now is Adorn. Cube and Electric didn't give me a lot of color payoff. They were very, like there's hardly anything that comes off with them. So that was a little bit disappointing. But I do like it, and it has some really unique colors that I like right now. I have a mixture of Dawn and New Wave in the crease, and then I have Roxy on the outer corner, and then I have Adorn on the eyelids, and on my lower lash line I have Axis, which would look really cool with that one NYX lipstick that I got. Okay, I think we're already down to the last, wait, no. 2 more things. First, I got this Sleek Makeup gift set. I'm pretty sure this probably came out around the holidays. I got it on clearance for $4.50. It came with this mascara that I am currently wearing on my eyes right now. It isn't my favorite. It's a little hard to work with just because it's more of a drier formula, and I like wetter formulas because I just feel like they're a lot easier to get on real quick. And then it came with this matte lipstick in the shade Regal. It looks like a dark reddish brownish color. Oh, by the way, Ice Queen didn't change, so it's literally just an icy lipstick. Oh, that's quite liquidy going on, and I like that in a liquid lipstick. That's a pretty red. I like it. It came with this eyeshadow palette that honestly I haven't even opened up yet, so I don't know what's inside. If you saw it in my palette collection video, I have a couple Sleek palettes that I've never used. Oh my goodness, this is so cute! Look at that! They're so itty bitty! Oh my gosh! That is so cute! I can't even right now. It looks like there's 2 matte transition shades, a darker shade, and then a bunch of like itty bitty little metallics. I can't really get a good swatch because they're so small, but this is adorable. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then it came with a little gold makeup pouch. It's kind of small on the inside, probably enough to just carry what it came with. And then lastly, and very disappointingly, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills, liquid lipstick in Sugar Plum. And I got it because I like Sugar Plum because it reminds me of Christmas. Anyway, it's the one product that I did not check before I bought it. You always have to check to make sure things haven't been tampered with, haven't been swatched, aren't broken. And when I first looked at it, it looked okay. It didn't look like it had been opened or anything, but the little stopper thing that's supposed to like get all the smudgies off is missing or broken. So it's just a big glob. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Ugh. But I don't know why it's like this. Like, look, so much comes out that it's gooping up around the, and it's just, ugh. Alright, cheer myself up with my favorite drink ever, Monster Ultraviolet. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, if you want me to keep digging around TJ Maxx, Marshalls, yada, 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 to see what my little eyes can find. I like it. Like, I like finding things that are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I found this. Oh. All right, well, I hope you have a good day. I will link, by the way, my other TJ Maxx discount beauty haul mabobs somewhere here, there, somewhere, okay? Please subscribe, please, 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 please. I'm almost to 100. That's so exciting. And have a good day. Bye.